Welcome back to Tharani, I'm Joe B. Today we'll be talking about how to improve your static balance to prevent falls. Let's dive in. Your body has to adapt to 3 daily balance activities to perform the day-to-day tasks. These are static, reactive, and dynamic balance activities. Static balance is your body's ability to perform certain activities without losing balance, like static standing. Examples of these are washing dishes and cooking, where you are in an upright position but not really moving your feet while doing the task. Your static balance can be impaired after a vestibular system dysfunction like VPPV, which can lead to a dizzy spinning sensation even in static sitting or standing. At the same rate, your static balance can also be impaired due to a proprioceptive system dysfunction, which can lead to difficulty in sensing foot positioning, also in standing. To assess static balance, perform the Romberg test in standing with feet together first, with the eyes open for 30 to 60 seconds, then closed for the same duration. Normally, you can have postural sway while you are performing the test, but as long as you do not go past the limits of stability where you lose your balance forward, backward, or sideways, then your static balance should be intact and the test is considered negative. If you do lose your balance in any direction, then it's a positive Romberg test, and your vestibular system or lower extremity proprioception will need to be assessed extensively by a physical therapist or a neurologist. In addition, your static balance will need to be treated. No need to assess the tandem stance position or the single limb stance when the Romberg test is positive, as those positions will also yield a positive test most likely. To treat and improve your static balance, patient stands with feet together inside the parallel bars with hands hovering over the bars. If you are to do these static balance tasks or exercise at home, it can be done in front of a wall corner with a chair in front of you for safety. While maintaining this position, head nods are performed for 10 to 20 reps with the eyes open, then closed, progressing from slow to fast-paced. This is because multitasking can enhance your static balance, and plus, it simulates normal daily activities. After that, head turns are performed for 10 to 20 reps with eyes open, then closed, progressing from slow to fast. If without loss of balance, then a modified tandem stance can be assumed, and finally, a modified or a traditional single limb stance. You can progress this further through multitasking like RDLs or standing rainbows. All of these exercises should be performed for either 3 to 6 months or a cumulative total of 50 to 60 hours before you start noticing some results, as neurologic progression is slower than muscular strength progression or endurance improvements. So do you want to know how to improve your balance reactions to prevent a fall? If so, then this video is for you. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more therapy animations, please subscribe to Tharani.